I'm just joined here with
Fanny.
Paju. Hannah.
Nice. Where are you guys from?
Finland.
Helsinki, yeah.
Nice. You're from Finland?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. How often do you masturbate?
Every day. Every day.
Alright guys, I'm just joined here with
Sarah?
Sarah. Now today we're just asking a couple of questions, so there's a warning, it can be a bit personal, so you don't have to answer, but honesty, is appreciated.
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
Not for a while, actually.
Okay.
I've been living in my own house, so I haven't really had a chance.
Oh, wow. Maybe once a month?
Yeah.
Okay. And
Twice a month.
twice a month? Fair enough, fair enough.
I'm a bit nervous about it.
You should be nervous. Alright guys, I'm joined here with
Taylor.
Taylor, nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you.
Likewise. So first question is, are you in a relationship or are you single? It is a personal question, so you don't have to answer it, but we do appreciate honesty.
Yeah.
So we're starting with a few questions. So basically, are you in a relationship or are you single? Today I'm joined here with
Siska.
Siska, and you've got some really nice hair.
Thank you so much.
So pretty much you don't have to answer if you don't want to, but we appreciate honesty, so we're asking, how often do you masturbate? So basically today we're just asking a few questions. Now, one may be personal, so you don't have to answer it, but we do appreciate 100% honesty.
Okay.
So the first question is,
Every day. Every day.
and that's your honest answer,
That's an honest answer, yeah.
how often do you masturbate?
I would say every maybe second day.
Every second day. Okay,
Need that bit of a break in between. Yeah.
I like
Do
it.
you? I don't.
So Sarah, the first question is, are you in a relationship or are you single?
I'm single.
Single. Alright, the next question is, how often do you masturbate? Next question is, do you think that habit would change if you were in a relationship versus single?
Yeah, that's really this question.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it depends.
it depends.
Yeah.
Like say for instance, monthly, like once, twice.
I think it depends if I have a boyfriend.
Relationship.
Okay, you?
Single.
Okay, next question is, how often do you masturbate?
Always.
Always. Okay, so like daily or something?
Yeah.
I'm single.
Okay, cool. Can I get your number afterwards?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, that wasn't part of it. But so basically we're asking a question today. Now it's personal, so you don't need to answer it, but we do appreciate honesty. Are you in a relationship or are you single?
I'm not single. I'm in a relationship.
You're in a relationship?
I'm single.
Single?
Single.
Okay. Now the next question is, how often do you masturbate? Okay, and so next up, would those habits change if you're in a relationship versus being single?
No, probably not. I don't think. But I've been single for 4 years, so.
Do you want to change that?
No.
A couple of times a week.
Like 3-4 times a week?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. So, how often do you masturbate?
Like fortnightly.
Fortnightly.
Yeah.
Okay. And next one is, do those sort of habits change when you're in a relationship versus being single? Yeah.
Yeah.
So say if you do have a boyfriend and then versus you don't have a boyfriend.
If I do have a boyfriend, I think never.
Yeah.
If I have, I think a lot.
Okay.
Couple times a week.
Couple times a week. Okay. And would that sort of habit fluctuate? So say for instance being in a relationship versus being single?
Probably like 3 times a week.
3 times a week?
3-4 times a week.
3-4 times a week?
I don't do it when I'm with him.
Okay. How often do you masturbate?
Never.
Never.
Never. Oh my god. No.
Oh, is that your answer, or is it because like it's a bit too much of a full-on question? Oh, okay, never. And based on that, say for instance, if you were in a relationship, would that change? Do you think those sort of habits would change as opposed to being single?
Uh,
How often do you masturbate?
Oh my gosh.
Last week?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, now the next question is, does that number change when you're in a relationship versus being single?
Yeah, I think so. When I was single, I did it, but not so much.
Once a week?
Yeah, probably.
Well, I'd hope I wouldn't really need to masturbate if I was in a relationship.
Yeah.
I hope it wouldn't be required.
Very cool.
Yeah, same. I don't know. Shouldn't need to.
Okay.
Not particularly.
I was gonna introduce you to Josh.
Lovely to meet you, Joe.
No.
Hi.
Can I get your fax number?
I think it depends. Okay. I would say less.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. And the last question is, what's the longest amount of time you've gone without masturbating at all?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I would say so.
Like how much by like?
It depends what the relationship is like.
For sure.
Yeah,
There's like a lot of romance and stuff.
pretty much. Yeah.
Yeah, interesting. And yourself?
Yeah, it changes. Because you don't need to do it. Or
You don't do it
someone
at all?
else is doing it for you.
Okay, cool. A lot, maybe 10 times a day?
Yeah, sometimes maybe.
Yeah, cool. So when you're in a relationship, you don't do it at all?
Not that I skip it like completely, but you know, you don't need to do it all the time.
For sure.
Yeah, I agree.
My fax number. I don't have a fax machine because it's 2017, but
Do you have a phone number?
I do have a phone number.
So can I get your phone number?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Oh, dope. Because then we can like go out and get some drinks.
I think maybe like 2 months or something.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the question. Would it be more or less, or doesn't change?
Maybe less in a relationship.
You?
Yeah, agree. Less in a relationship.